How to create a filter in Excel sheet. If you want to filter a data on your Excel sheet, this video is for you. This table here is the number of months we have in a year, the number of days in each month, and the seasons of those months, whether it's winter, spring, or summer. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to analyze this data. To filter a data in Excel gives you the power to analyze that data in more specific and simplest way. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. Make sure the data you're about to filter has headings. In my case, this is the headings, the months, days, and seasons. So in this case, I'm going to highlight everything here. On the top menus, make sure to select on data. Then among the menus on the ribbon, continue to tap on filter. This will create arrow beside each of the headings that you have here, as you can rightly see on the screen. So if you want to filter, you just press the arrow. Then you can now see everything here is selected. I'll make sure I unselect it first. Then I'll proceed to select only on summer. Then continue to tap on OK. Now the summer seasons is the only thing we have here, which is June, and it has a number of days of 30, and July also 31 days, and August, which is 31 days. So it just gives you an idea of the overall total number of days that you have within the summer season. And you can equally do it for the days. All you have to do is to proceed to the arrow beside the date and then tap on it. Then make sure to tap on select all to untick it, and then select 31. So this will give you the number of months that we have 31 days, and then it's a summer season, which is July and August. Don't forget, the remaining months data is not deleted. It is hidden here, and you can equally unhide it by canceling this filter option. If you want to know how to cancel it, make sure to check our next video. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.